So over the 5th of March I was seeing some locomotive service route learnings. However, my first catch was at Howwood and it was 2K73, the 1153 ScotRail service to Ayr from Glasgow Central with 380-103. And then here she came on the 5Z12, the delayed 1153 turned up at 1157, locomotive service to Carstairs from St Bees with 37667 and 37521. And then we go to bowling later on, where my first catch was 280, the 1424 ScotRail service to Ayrshire from Ballot with 324.14 and 320.412. And then here they came on the 5Z13, the 1433 locomotive service to Glenfin from Carstairs with 37667 and 37521.